Navigating the exciting world of Cognizant starts with a little card that holds a lot of power: your employee ID. So, you're new to Cognizant? Fantastic. Let's break down exactly how to get your essential employee identification card. Step 1: activation. Shortly before or soon after you join, you'll receive an email with instructions. This is usually part of your onboarding process. This email will provide critical information needed to begin. Look for this email with the subject line related to onboarding or your ID. Step 2: photo submission. Following the email instructions, often you'll need to submit a photo. Make sure this photo is professional and meets the provided guidelines. Think clear, well, and in line with company policy. Step 3: card collection. Once your photo is approved, you'll be able to collect your ID card. The instructions in your onboarding materials will direct you to the designated location. The pickup location will depend on your respective office and location. This ID card is your key. It unlocks doors, allows you to access secure areas, and is essential for your day-to-day tasks here at Cognizant. Important tip: if your ID card is lost or stolen, report it immediately. Log into Cognizant's internal portal and promptly follow the instructions for reporting the lost or stolen card. This is crucial for security. Obtaining your Cognizant ID card is a straightforward process. Remember to pay attention to the onboarding instructions and always prioritize security. Welcome to the team. And don't forget to check the resources for more information and to find your onboarding handbook.